5 proven steps you must follow when setting your goals. Hello my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that right now by clicking the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you will get updates whenever we post new videos. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up by clicking on like and engage with me in the comment section. By the way, I apologize for not posting any content here for the past 2 weeks due to some activities that needed my attention. So guys, it's a new year and the year is fast running so far, and as the manner of many people is, there has been a lot of new year resolution flying around. But today I'll be sharing with you 5 workable steps to follow when setting your goals for the year. Number 1, write your goals. This is a proven method that helps to keep you on track. This is one step you can't overlook if you truly want to achieve your goals for the year. If the goal is too much, break it down into units and start with the smallest one. Number 2, measure your goals. This is very important because it will help you determine what it will cost you to achieve these goals. Then you can develop workable strategies for it. Number 3, be smart about it. After measuring your goal, you have to think strategically and critically, taking into consideration the times and seasons in your world at the moment. Number 4, equip yourself with knowledge. This gives you a competitive advantage in the market and industry. So one of the things you can't afford to do is to be ignorant in the world of today. So when you've written down your goals, you've measured it, and you're smart about it, the next thing is to equip yourself with adequate knowledge that you need to achieve those goals. Number 5 step is get the right persons to work or build with you. Always look for people who can complement your strengths and make up for your weaknesses. While doing this, it's important that you remember that sometimes you may just have to start your goal before people will join. You have to be the first believer of your goals, with or without others. So one of my goals for this year 2022 is to be earning in dollars while I'm still in Nigeria. And one of the things I've done so far is to start equipping myself with the knowledge I need to achieve that, of which I already paid whooping 30,000 naira even for a private coaching to help me build more capacity for these goals. And this is excluding other tutorial classes that I have already with me. So far so good. 2 of the milestones I set for the year has already turned out positive even before the 15th of January this year. So I challenge you, what are your goals for the year and what are you doing to achieve them? If you haven't written down any goals yet, it's not too late to start planning for yourself. So I encourage you to go today and start setting those goals for yourself. In our next video, we will be talking about opportunities in tech, blockchain and cryptocurrency, and how you can position yourself to start benefiting from them. If you've watched this video till now, please give this video a thumbs up. Do well to share this video and engage with me in the comment section below. See you in the next one.